Yo guys, in this video I'm gonna teach you how to actually use the Lua U functions used by Roblox's API and use it in your own stuff. Now what you want to do is create a Roblox DLL Lua U functions. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna go to a website called github.com/roblox/lua/master/vm/src/lp. Shoot, man, I can't even talk, bro. But they made a few functions, and you see all these functions over here that you could use in your own stuff. So what you can use is how to make your own inline functions. It's really easy to rewrite them. So what we're gonna do is first we're gonna get the really common integers needed. Number one thing that we're gonna need is called an top. The top is technically used for, you know, get up, stuff like that. The second thing we're gonna need is a lot of light user datas. Right, so what I'm gonna do is I do not have any addresses. So I'm gonna have to use someone called Melon YT addresses. This guy quit absolutely because he raged. He probably has some home mental issues or something. I don't know, bro. But he quit. So we're gonna need all of these types. These are called our Lua types. Now, if you do not have any of these, your thing will not work, okay? So you're gonna need all of these. So now what you want to do is you also want to have a scanner. So technically, if you already have a DLO, you're gonna have to already have these. So these are all of them you need. These are really simple numbers. I'll make a tutorial on how to get them soon. But alright, so now what you want to do is you want to go to the LAPI. So we're gonna go here. Find your own function that you want to use. Now, function like this is super simple, but as you can see, it uses t-value, which is a lot of functions and includes, so it's gonna take a long time to make. Let's find something simple. As you can see, this uses API check, so we're gonna erase this completely. If we were to use this, we're also gonna need API increment top. Now, if we go down over here, we're gonna see something like setup and set nil value. All these are simple because these are adding up to the top. The Lua state is adding tops and bases. So as you see, you got a get up right here. Now get up is extremely simple. What you can see that it's replicating L to top and an L to base. Now this is extremely simple to do, so we're gonna get an example of what it looks like and what it could be used as. Now first we're gonna find the structures. Now I'm gonna find, I have the structures, so what you want to do is you want to go here and paste the structures. I'm gonna leave a paste bin link for that. I'm gonna leave some paste bin links for that. So you're gonna need structures, which is float v, which is always true. That's it in the Roblox documentation, and these. So we're gonna need all of this. We're gonna go down here, and we're gonna make. We already have this, so we're technically almost done with this. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna get incre top. Now this will increase the top and the base. So these are functions that you will need 100%. These are not mine. These are someone in Drexy. Oh, how do you say it? Shoot, man, I hate when this happens, bro. I hate when this happens. Alright, we're probably gonna need to paste it right over here because C++ is being a bit. Alright, so we're done with one part. Now we're gonna go to get up again. Remember, get up. Where's get up? There we go. Now as you can see, we're gonna have a fair value of what get up is. Now first we're gonna do is we're gonna inline it and make it a dword. Okay, so then Lua state, remember, whenever you see Lua state, you're gonna automatically convert that into dword L. Because we're gonna be using Lua state is technically a struct, but we're not using Lua state, depends. So return. Okay, so let's do this over here. Now we're gonna pass on a 4, so that's how we're gonna kind of get a function like that. Let's find some simple functions real quick in the LAPI. Okay, that's all. I'm not doing this. I'm not doing this. I'm not doing this here. How about is string? Now it's not that hard to do. Is string. Lua type is a function that's right over here that passes on to Lua. Oh no object. I'm not doing object. I'm the shit. But I'm just giving you guys an idea of what it would look like. As you can see, the set and values technically like set the offset, the what was it called, bro? I forgot. The types values. So let's go to a super simple function that only requires like one. Damn, bro. Damn. Damn. No, screw it. Never mind. We don't need any more of that. So let's find a function like Lua type name. What we're gonna do is we're gonna go down here and paste this, right? Now we're not gonna need any of this. So let's say we're making a function, right? Ignore the code, the top code. We're gonna go here and automatically replace this. Now we can also make a compatible version, but so that's the door and that's the int type. Now I'm gonna get Lua T none. If you guys don't have the offset, I already told you guys. So no values to string hidden, and these are all the type names. So what we're gonna do here is I'm probably gonna go to my old GitHub that I had, and we're gonna go to the Lua T type names that we had. I have a whole function list just for so let's go here. And these are the type names. Now it has a lot of type names, but I do not have the list right now. But this is an idea of what it would look like. And I also found one in Roblox. This is Roblox's original code right over here. So as you can see, this is what it does. The same thing as Lua T type names, but it's a bit different. It's a bit like, what would you call like immature code? Yeah. So that's what we do to make inline functions, guys. Not that hard. Remember to subscribe, leave a comment, drop a like, and peace out.